belt system that's right here can be removed, and we can put in just a standard conveyor without the gooseneck on it, to just go directly into the container. It doesn't have to go into a pouch, as we're going to show you here hopefully in a minute or two, as we are attempting to change over. So we're going to move that pre-made bagger that you just saw running with the scale up there. We're going to move that underneath this machine, and then we're going to run this machine for you. Right? So these scales come in a whole bunch of different configurations, all kinds of different sizes. Hopefully, again, you've seen one of our other segments where you see like our 14 heads. We have a 10, an 8, a 14, all kinds of different scales. You can split them up into different bucket scenarios, different sizes of heights off the floor. So if you have a low ceiling, this one here, obviously the Singulator shows you an advantage of a low ceiling because it's maybe 7 feet tall with the HMI here, versus, well, the need of a platform at a large scale. You get into 13 to 20 feet high. So, again, fairly simple machine. Hopefully you've seen this in one of our other trade shows when we could actually meet in person. But for right now, we're just going to set up the pre-made bagger over into this machine. So the idea of this is that we're showing you that the modularity of our systems, when you do purchase a complete turnkey solution from CAM, we can actually tie them in together. So this is now going to do counting, even though we were just doing weight. This is going to physically count each individual piece, but we're going to end up in the same pre-made bagger once it's located in the position here, which is a bit risky when you're doing a video, live streaming scenario. It's definitely risky, but it does show the flexibility of our systems and the ease of connecting systems together. So as soon as they're ready here, we should be showing you now the Singulator in motion and into, it is the same stand-up pouch. It's the same, we didn't change it, but if we were to change the graphics on the bag, the bagger itself doesn't know. I guess the one nice thing about virtual is we don't have our normal guard work everywhere. So as you can see, we've got the different count configurations here. We climb up the gooseneck conveyor, and then we go into the pouch again. So there is some related technology here that we do use, but really this Singulator is physically counting one at a time, and that is the big difference. So if your product varies in weight, which most manufactured products do vary a little bit, when you get into super large counts, you need to accommodate that, and you might be giving away an extra piece. So when we do the actual counting here, we're actually not giving away an extra piece. It allows you to adapt to. All lanes do not need to be the same. So there is some common things with the scale. Each quadrant in the scale does not need to be the same weight either. Just showing you a different mix of what you can produce off of different machines from CAM. But you see, normally on one of the big scales, we would have one of these hoppers that climb up the incline into the system. So again, these machines can run speed-wise. It all depends on product. None of these machines, we can dry cycle at all kinds of fast rates, but it really is determined by the packages at the end of the day, because that's what you have to sell, and that's where everyone makes their money, is selling the finished goods. So there you go. Same machine, just doing a different count here. So again, we got a wide variety of solutions available. We're just showing 2 different scenarios. Running chocolate, it's the same chocolate, different flavors. From a combination scale where we mix 4 flavors to our Singulator where we can do 6 different counts out of it. So we look forward to speaking with you further. We'll leave a couple minutes for questions. You can email us and contact us at camsystems.ca. And we look forward to working with you. Thanks for your time today.